Hey, I went to sleep early for this. What it do? What it do? Who is that coming through? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Uncle Earl. We are back with another banger reacts, man. Y'all see what we got, man. Flight reacts in the kitchen today. Flight reacts in the kitchen today. How to make the best juicy cheeseburger. It'll change your life. We're gonna see Flight. We're gonna see if FTC can really cook. You know, I don't think they chefs like that. If Flight actually, you know, I don't know. I think I'm gonna probably respond to this. Not like a competitive thing, you know. I just, you know, I like to cook myself, so I think I'm gonna make some food out here. Probably make a cheeseburger. You know, it's simple. You know, we're gonna see what Flight doing. We're gonna see what kind of seasonings and, you know, cheese and beef he's using, all of that. Hey man, let's get to it. Like it up, sub it up. You already know what to do. We on the road to 500 subs. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Quit playing with me, man. We on the road. We on the road. Join the big happy family, Neffs. Let's get to it. Yurt!
What it do, Flight Crew? FTC. Flight team, stand up! Today, Chef Reacts.
Chef Reacts.
So pretty, so clean.
Bro, all right.
We are making my favorite food of all time and right now. A cheeseburger. Come follow me right. Starting off with the ground beef, you know?
Oh, but I just say we checking beef. Kroger, Dillon's, or Kroger. It don't matter. 90% lean, 10% fat. Okay, that's good beef. Got the blue tag. All right. If you eating that 80-20 or that 70-30 out here, boy, stop. Boy, stop. Okay, let's get it. Carne molida.
Brown, red meat.
Organic black pepper, got some buffalo ranch, got some pickles. Why you got buffalo ranch?
I like to go 90-10%.
Is that Buffalo Ranch or Thousand Island? Is he trying to make a Big Mac? Hey man, let me find out he finna attempt a Big Mac, because that's gonna be fire.
Something about that number percentage combination, I just like the, but I've had the 80-15, I've had the 80-20, really tastes the same. Not too much of it. Anybody in the comments can let me know though. I am curious what is the difference or why they call them like 90-10 and then 85-15 and everything like that. Very, very curious to know this. But if you do not get a 90-10, don't think it's the end of the world. 85-15, 80-20 is gonna do it. I keep it.
I'm getting 90-10, bro. Just because I'm not really, I don't know. I'm not really a huge ground beef fan. I mean, I'll eat it, but I'm not really a huge fan of it, so I'm getting the good stuff.
In the 80s, I know there's like 70s and love. Keep it there. Any bacon, it don't matter. Mushrooms, I promise y'all, these mushrooms are not gonna have y'all seeing things. I promise. All right, so it's just regular mushrooms, cooking mushrooms. All right, 2 tomatoes, or you can have as many tomatoes as you want. All right.
Flight, this is not you, bro. Hey, he got a recipe somewhere. He memorized a recipe real quick. Flight, this, you're not cooking with mushrooms and shit. You're not making, I already know what he's about to do with them eggs. You're not doing that to your beef, boy. Stop.
You need these eggs, your bowl. You got your condiments. I got the pickles. You know what I'm saying? You got your barbecue, any barbecue sauce. This is the extra secret
Thousand Island. He trying to make a big, that's not secret sauce. That's mac sauce.
I like to use Thousand Island. I'll explain more into depth on how I came up with certain creations too as I get through along the video. FYI, gonna have your ketchup, of course. I'm not a big mustard fan, so if you're wondering why certain condiments ain't here, that's why. My favorite cheese. Once you get this hamburger bun right here,
those is fire.
Any grocery market should have. It's usually in the bakery bread section.
Yeah, those is fire, bro.
Y'all ever tasted smash burger or like Shake Shack type of burger? And then you need your seasonings, of course.
Garlic powder. Hold on.
Or like
my fault, gang. I ain't gonna be pausing like that, bro. I just gotta really analyze some shit. Sea salt, garlic powder, parsley flakes, organic black pepper, applewood.
You need your seasonings, of course. Garlic powder, salt. This is my favorite one right here. I like to use applewood. I just started using this about 6 months ago.
Onion powder.
You're not gonna be disappointed. Please get this seasoning. Applewood is usually used for ribs. But bro, y'all not gonna be disappointed. You're welcome.
And one more thing, guys, you're gonna need
some
lettuce. I don't have it out here. I forgot to take it out.
Bro, why is it skipping, Flight?
Disappointed. You're welcome.
And one more thing, guys,
bro.
You gotta have.
Oh, he probably did a pause and a voiceover. My fault.
But get some lettuce.
All right.
But get some lettuce.
You gotta have parsley flakes, of course.
But get some lettuce.
Black pepper, and I said onion powder, right? I am not a fan of actual raw onions. That's why you don't see no onions here. There's no onions here. There's not gonna be no onions anywhere near a cheeseburger that I eat. Last but not least, I'm gonna use an actual regular frying pan for the mushrooms and the bacon. And then when I'm cooking the burger, the bacon, cast iron skillet, and that little food critic health inspector. This
is a cast iron skillet.
Do not give me a D+. This pan is clean. This is what happens when the pan, after you clean it with water or whatever.
What's it? What's this though? What's this little area? What's that little area right there, bro?
It dries up. It is clean. This is not just found in the back of under the oven. All right, relax. All right, y'all. It is literally
Let's get to it.
1 a.m. and it's gonna be my first time about to eat.
Bro, unpack all your clothes and shit. You must just moved into this house, bro, because you got boxes everywhere. Wait, no, this your one house. Wait, this the one house you did your one sneaker collection in. Because I recognize them stairs, bro. Clean your house, Flight.
Right in. All right, so we're not
Man.
no more time. First thing I like to do.
See, I already told y'all he finna put the eggs with the beef. He's not on that wave, bro. Stop.
Rip that meat
Watch.
package open. Keep it about 1 egg each meat package. Holy.
Okay.
Egg stuff in there, you don't want to do that.
So you can't even crack a
y'all,
damn
seasoning
egg.
Time. You want to go ahead and put a little salt. Go ahead and put some of that applewood rub up in there. Don't even trip. We don't go crazy with the seasoning because remember we got 2 different meat ground beef packages in there. All right, so don't be afraid to add that seasoning in that bill. You know what I'm saying? If you can't smell it or you barely season it, as some will say, it ain't enough.
Nah, it's if you ain't sneezing, it ain't enough seasoning. Shout out Cash.
All right.
Yeah. Whoa.
Just a little too much.
It's not weed, bro.
Nah, we good. There's nothing wrong with parsley flakes. They don't really taste like nothing.
It's not THC, bro.
Got the onion powder in there.
You put the parsley on at the end, bro. You don't cook.
Afraid to see.
Parsley's mainly for color, bro.
Black pepper.
Yeah.
We'll bring the camera up closer in a second, y'all.
You got gloves.
I'm glad that I got a clear bowl. I used a garlic powder earlier, huh? Yeah, I definitely did. I can see the color in it. All right.
You got gloves.
All right. So come here. All right. So what you gonna do next? Just mix it up. Make sure your hands are washed. I'm gonna go
It's a
ahead
lot
and
of
wash my
parsley,
hands
bro.
again, so I can get it all up in there in that meat. All right, y'all. Here is the fun part. It's time to mix up.
Why don't you show
everything
us washing your hands?
All right. Make sure when you get in the egg. Now, honestly, you're supposed to like whisk the egg, like you're making an egg, actually like a scrambled egg or something like that. But this works too with your fingers and everything. It's just fine. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to get up in there, because what you doing, you mixing all those good old seasonings and then the egg all up in there. Now, what the egg is gonna do is basically gonna hold the burger up a little bit better. It's gonna
Okay, if y'all wonder why I'm making a face like this, bro, it's mainly because I'm not. Look, I like to cook with gloves, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I can't be touching people's raw meat, raw food, raw meat with no gloves, bro. Especially with the seasonings and all the extra stuff. Like, nah, man, I'm good. Even though I wash my hands thoroughly and cleanly, bro, I feel more comfortable. I'm way more efficient with gloves, bro.
give it a little bit of a different taste. Not too much of a crazy taste, but it's gonna give it a little bit. I want to say maybe like a juicier, milky taste versus just like a. You know, have you had a burger that's just not as juicy and it's just missing like that extra like.
You don't need the egg.
Grease into it.
You don't need the.
It basically just gives it that. You know what I'm saying?
You don't need the egg for that. Watch. You really don't. Cause I'm gonna do my video and I'm gonna show y'all. You don't need the egg for that, bro. I'm telling you, my burgers be juicy without the egg.
All right, so I like to do this for about 2 minutes. Guys, I'm sorry, I forgot my I don't know where my chef hat is. I lost it somewhere, grew some legs, and walked away. You know
excuse
what I'm
me.
saying? So I know
Excuse
we
me,
have
excuse me.
minus 20 attributes without the chef hat, but don't get
Oh,
it
so
twisted.
you're
We
50,
still
not a
don't
60.
turn up. We still turning up in this bit. Don't even get it twisted.
You need more
all right?
seasoning.
So, you know what I'm saying? A little bit more. All right, my friends, it is all
Nah.
done. All we gotta do is just make it into patties. So that is exactly what the patties is
Nah.
supposed to look
You need more seasoning, bro. All you see is parsley.
like when they're.
Nah. You need more seasoning, Flight. Oh. You need more seasoning, Flight. You just threw some some little THC flakes on there.
All set and ready to be put on the either grill or cast iron skillet or however you make them. I wanted to just skip past the boring part for y'all, but the patties, I try to make them similar to how like a, you know, a smash burger looks like. I like my burgers like kind of like medium thin. I don't like it like a too huge, you know what I'm saying, big chunk and everything like that. Let you get the little, you know what I'm saying, the good old angles like that. You can see the seed.
No,
you smell it from 5 miles away. No,
you can, damn it, you can see it, but barely, bro. I see more parsley than anything.
Smell that, boy.
No. See, look, bro. You can't have burgers overlaying on top of each other, bro. Cook the 3. No.
All right, y'all. So I added my.
Flight, what happened to the burgers, bro? What happened over there? What's going on over there, bro?
Alright, y'all. So I added my olive oil into my mushrooms. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that.
Sauteing the mushrooms.
With the olive oil, let it sit here and cook. And do
You
it
can
so
season them too.
another, like, total is 10 minutes with the mushrooms take. You know what I'm saying?
It's probably on high, bro. Got that shit on high. Turn it down. It's actually on medium. Turn it down, bro.
You can go 11, 12, however you want them. You know what I'm saying? I don't like them too soft, but I also don't want them too hard. Alright? And then the burgers, this is the first batch of burgers. The burgers, you know what I'm saying?
What? Oh yeah, I'm about to probably make a burger video today. Yeah. I'm making a burger video today. Look at this, bro. Flight. Bro, them don't even, I'm sorry, man. First off, this one look like, why is it like liquidy like that in the middle? And then second off, why does this on the side look like,
Not too bad. Hey, you're not gonna get a perfect round shape of burger. You know what I'm saying? But hey, don't ever judge a book by its cover, because just because it look like it does not mean it's gonna taste like. All right, so like, hey, all right, y'all. So here is how everything's coming together. This is the
bro.
last batch of burgers here, and the last batch I usually make the freshest with cheese, and I have another batch just without cheese and everything like that, so I can save for another time. But hey, man,
I like the cheese selection. You got Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese isn't bad. I didn't.
Don't lie, man. It's so tempting to just like pick one up right now.
No, bro, please don't. I don't know if it's done.
I got my mushrooms already all made.
I'm sorry, I'm done pausing, y'all.
Right here on the stove, everything's almost coming together. I say in about 7-10 minutes, we ready to bust down.
Clean your house.
Everything is officially done, y'all. 25 minutes later, bam. Come on, man. This is like a mini cooker right now, man. We gonna put the burger together, and y'all gonna see the masterpiece. And we gonna do the taste test. All right, y'all. Obviously, start out with your bun. The good thing about these types of buns,
I see the Fiji.
you don't really gotta put it on the actual pan or grill or anything like that, because it's already buttered, already has that type of a grilled taste. All right. So that's why you actually didn't see me do it, y'all. So first.
Yeah, I'm making a burger video game.
Burger. I gotta pick the juiciest one. Oh yeah, right up under there. Oh yeah.
Wait, no condiments first?
That looks good. So I'm gonna keep everything warm. Put it back in here. Go ahead and turn that fan off.
Y'all don't like Miracle Whip?
I am not the best at cutting tomatoes. Do not laugh at me, y'all. But yo, you gotta put that tomato on there. All right. I did not show this early on in the video, but you gotta have that lettuce on the burger. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have that lettuce on the burger.
Bro, you're not even building your burger right. You're just throwing shit on there. You grab like 10 lettuce ball, or not a lettuce ball, tomato ball. It looked like it was part of the middle. It don't even look like it was actual, like, come on now. And then you grabbed hella lettuce, bro.
Put some of them so fresh and so clean mushrooms up on that, man. You know what I'm saying? Get your crispy applewood smoked bacon up in that bit. You know what I'm saying? Get all the pieces and everything like that.
That's a dry ass burger. Sorry, excuse my language.
Add a pickle. Stop playing with yourself. Don't play with yourself, man. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
You just
right?
putting shit together.
You know what I'm saying? Put that pickle right up in that bit. Oh man, my mouth is watering right now.
You don't.
Y'all understand me? Y'all don't even understand.
Bro,
me,
you're
right?
just putting shit together.
All the sauces and condiments, put it on the bun. It's the easiest to put it on the bun. You know what I'm saying?
Didn't I just say that, Neffs, like 60 seconds ago? Why aren't you putting condiments first? Condiments first. God, you're a noob, bro. I knew it. Quit trying to lie to the people, bro. We all know you're a noob to this cooking shit. I'm about to make a cooking video, bro. I'm about to make a cooking video. I'm going to show you how to really make a burger, bro. We're going to make a Big Mac. We're going to make a Big Mac. I never made a Big Mac before. That's actually pretty dope. We're going to make a Big Mac.
I'm saying in the beginning first, I did kind of, you know what I'm saying, mess up around there. But hey, man, it ain't nothing too bad. I always like
that burger is going to be dry.
Of each on there. All right.
Dry.
Wondering what their secret sauce is this entire time. It was the Thousand Island. All right.
Mac sauce.
Ketchup. A little bit of ketchup there. And then, guys, hold on, man. Get this water out the way, man. I don't think you guys are seeing this, man. I don't think you guys are seeing this, man. I don't think you guys are
Damn it.
seeing it. I don't think you guys are seeing this, man. I don't think you guys.
Bro. Hey, Neffs, please rate this burger in the comments, bro. And please, I'm going to make a burger video, bro. We finna show Chef Reacts how to make a burger, bro. Because he just threw some shit together. He got a bacon, egg, and... Not a... he got a barbecue bacon cheeseburger with some sauteed mushrooms, lettuce, tomatoes on there, and some pickles. We just gonna make a Big Mac. We gonna keep it simple. That burger, you eat with your eyes first. I'm not even trying to hate, bro. I'm giving that, like, for visual, I'm giving that a 5. Giving that a 5, bro. It don't look put together right. It just looks sloppy. I can't really tell if this is bacon anymore. It don't look like bacon. It look like brisket now with some barbecue sauce, some seasoning on it, or not. Can't even talk, bro. And some pickles, bro. I don't know. Right.
Seen this, man.
Yeah, that's a 5, bro. The burger. Yeah, Flight. You got some work to do, man.
I don't think you guys have seen this, man. Look at this, man. This is how you should pick up a burger. You know what I'm saying? If it's a little messy, there's nothing wrong. That means it's filled with all that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's dry.
Bro, this shit's so good, bro. I'm about to just turn off the camera right now, man. Y'all, man, spam the like button, spam the comments what y'all want me to cook next up in this bed, bro. This is my favorite thing I've cooked, bro. I can't even believe I released this recipe, bro.
Bro, I'm finna make a burger. I can't even talk. I am about to make a cheeseburger video with you, bro. Hey, gang. Flight. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I didn't think it looked good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just threw some shit together. First off, them burgers looked horrific earlier. But man, I'm gonna make a burger cooking video today. I don't know if it's gonna be today. It's gonna be soon though. We're gonna make a Big Mac. Anyways, stay down. We on the road. Appreciate all the support, man. So early, bro. Let's get to it, Neffs. We out.